But I've closed everything here. We reached that like 50% mark of any years. You might see like heavy rejection from there. I sit a bit more. If I got a, like a good fail, I could have stayed. Instead of like making 400, I made 200. Thing is that I was bro had taken on 1 minute in was got stopped out. Who got stopped out, bro? The thing is that it was lagging so much. Even it's still lagging. I can't see my Tradeoid chart properly. And this execution a bit slow. Otherwise, it should reach here easily. This side. Or like very trash PA. I won't mind shorting now. Or I shorted here. Can work. Didn't take this trade. Oh my god, bro. Didn't take this trade. Oh my god. I would have printed money. I saw that fall. I'll put my limit order here. Would have got a sniper entry. That's like one of the strategies which I'm testing out. This is the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour open. Everything about that is a manipulation. You wait for the manipulation and let it distribute lower. From there, you draw fib. From fib, you can like ah pass funding. Kept stops. Inside and take it. It should go till here based on the volume. I did sleep. Also 8:30. I'll stay till 9. From 9, I have to pull all nighter till morning 12. A legend would have taken this trade. This is turning speed. I'm getting 69 Mbps. This is like the 4 hour again. Again, this thing works. See, 4 hour high low, mark the high, gone to low time frame. In this, if you see, almost everything is balanced, I think. So from here, I tend to set it here. It also did here. The whole price action is balanced, but you gotta try taking the soup, some inversion right here. There's like clean 30-second inversion right here, and then it retested, pushed lower. It works very well. Oh my god, why is it chopping so much? Don't your health upset, it's fine, bro. Chill, Madi. Last exam. What's the strategy? Explain again. See, let the 4 hour candle close. It closed at like 8:30 before it used to close at 7:30. So, see, this is the previous 4 hour high and low. And then wait for like high or low to be taken out. Here it took out that high. Wait for like 1 minute inversion or something. Take here it was like 30-second inversion here. So there's a like small 30. Wait, yeah, there's a 30-second inversion right here. It tested the C of that. Would have entered after the reaction or at this 4 hour open itself. Target some 1 is to 4 or 5. Put like this. See if the wick rejection, you need to study wick rejection theory. If the wick has balance here, the wick has not balance, so I would have kept my stops above this wick. This wick might reject. There's a bearish wick, but this wick didn't reject, so I would have kept my stops here. Target at the slow. There's the first low like proper, so 1 is to 3 I was getting. It happens like almost every day. Let me show you. See, yesterday also it happened. There's the high low. We took out the low. We closed above. So from here, this low right here, we sweep out. We can like get like very good entry. It went all the way till this high. Almost all the high which gets taken out as like 8:30. See here also, we swept out this high right here, and then go on to like lower time frame, find inversion, target some lows. Here you could have find like some so many lows. This is 8:30. Here it didn't happen. Uh, Here also, I feel like there's a SMT right here. I took a trade right here. So yeah, I took out that high. It just rigged that high, pushed lower. So you can like get very good entries, very small stop loss, but yeah, if it pushes very a lot. Uh, Here 830, this is a different because it already took sell side. Shorts on retest. I don't like the price action, bro. It's literally printing barcodes right here. So most probably what I'll wait for is let's say it has to take out these internal low, then I can take longs. Otherwise, see if like good opportunity presents. Still, this 15-minute gap is holding. So this is also an intermediate low now. See how this holds and then it pushes. This I legit wanted to take most of the trade. I passed my funding like I full potted one of the funding like this. Took high inversion, entered 4%, 6% you need to make. Kept the rest less. I got 1 is to 12 trade. Got your eval pass today, but PA sucks. Yeah, that's true. Nice though. Congratulations. I want one of these highs to be taken. Sorry, lows to be taken, then try longs again. Because 1 hour is still bullish. It just is reacting to this gap right now. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. If it wants to continue till this high, we are in that market maker buy model. But if this fails, it can go till this low. This is the LLT. If I would have taken, I would have hold it till here. This low right here. It might go. Because the price range is not balanced. This low, this high, it's not exactly at that 50% mark. Here it's not balanced, so next high is this. So at least this is the first low, otherwise it's better if it goes here. That's the proper LLT. Oh, this PA sucks. We do have, if it takes out, gives inversion, nice high. Let's see how this 5 minute reacts. If it inverts, probably it'll go to this high. If it supports, it'll go to this intermediate low. So from here, I can short here. If it comes here, I can long till here. How many lows are there? Uh, this 15 minute has to wick down and then go higher. Otherwise, it'll come till this low. Most probably, we'll wick down and go higher. 13 minutes more as our. This would have printed today. But the thing is that you have to be very careful. Sometimes it just goes lower and then just starts printing higher. Sometimes you have to know when you have to avoid also. That's the only drawdown. You don't know when it's gonna do this. You need to find like high probability. That too comes with market experience. Uh, no longs, no shorts. We have this 5 minute low. Sorry, high. We have this intermediate low. If it stops and then goes higher, better. This 5 minute is holding, but I want the slow to be taken out. Otherwise, no worries. No point though. It's actually flipping. We got that 30-second inversion. Probably go with this high. Okay, took that high. Now my job is to see if this candle flips so that I can take shots. This 5 minute will hold, and then it will push here. But I don't want like a big ass gap to be created because then I won't get good RR trade. Yep, it's at that discounted high. Nice shots if it presents. Three minute. More than a 2 minute gap is there. If this inverts, will put shots till these lows. Sleep just in case. We'll see how strong it closes down. Otherwise, I'll just take this low. Because overall price actually like still bullish. Okay, we have this 1 hour low also here. It's not there on NQ, but yeah, it's a good draw. I'll be seeing how it reacts because this low is like very good draw. Is it basically like PO3? Yeah, it is basically PO3. It is PO3. But yeah, it takes out that 4 hour high and then pushes off this time itself. Or chop twice. It's actually a very bad PA, to be very honest. It's better to leave trading because look at this range. Holy chop. What is this chop right there? And then we chopped here. And then we are wicking here. And now it's wicking here. It doesn't know. I don't know how. London delivered properly. Proper delivery. And then chop came. NY. Cancel this. Cancel this. That fair value gap clearly holded. It was like a nice market structure shift. Probably this will fail. Probably this will fail. Let's see 1 more minute. If it fails, I can try longs. Long is better. Still, this gap is there. 15. It would have been better if it had taken this low and then pushed higher. I would have been in this trade if it did that. Didn't do that. 5 minute is there. Gold looking fine. 1 second, let me check. 15, 1 hour. Ah, why is it stuck in like previous days range? See, again, it happened here, PO3. It took out that high, pushed lower. Once again, let me see what happened here. Are we closing above? Come on, close above, close above. Hey, I. It's still bearish. Well, wait. There's like nice 1 minute entry, 3 minute. Oh yeah, we have like good 1 minute entry here. It has to have like a clean inversion here. I want like a clear inversion, then only I'll take. Nope, cancel. Gold, 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 gold. Where did it flip here? I'll wait for this 4 hour high to be taken on. Again, same thing. See, like this. 4:30, 8:30. Look at how this did. It took out that high, pushes lower. Uh, Here it would have done and pushed higher and then gone lower. But what happened? We swept again. Sweep, then close below, pushes higher. Look at this. Again, same thing. This happens like almost every day. 4:30, 8:30. Now this happened at 4:30, so it continued. I would probably wait for this high to be taken out or make that as my draw because we are still reacting to this 1 hour gap. So till this gap doesn't get inverted, it's still bearish. So that 5 minute gap is there. If it holds, it pushes bearish, it's good. But out. Uh, there's no good target if you take shots. This is the only good target. It's better to wait for this inversion, take this long. That's better because it'll go with the trend. It's literally bullish and bearish at the same time. Bearish. Why? Because this gap is still there. This is the intermediate high. Either take the side, close below. You can look for sells. This volume tells me it wants to go higher. It's bad. Okay, we are inverting higher. Hopefully, then it goes with my bias. It's better it should have taken this lows. It close about this. I'll trade for like 10 more minutes. I'll see if we get a good entry. Final take, otherwise done. Technically, I can take here itself. This would have been my entry. Entry like this. Stop somewhere here. Target this side. And this would have been my break even. If I took take on a 5 minute, it's better to like scale down one time frame and see. This is TGR strategy. Market structure shift fair value gap. It taps into that discounted like 25% level entry here. I won't be surprised if it's just rips higher. Rip. Gone, gone, gone. Oh, 5 minute, 1 minute, 3:15. Told you this. This was a good entry, pushed higher. But I don't want to hold. I won't study for exams. That's a problem. I need to go. I have to finish 200 pages in one whole night. This level rejected, bro. Come on. Goes again down. I I put a story on Instagram. This is a level where I try sniping it like this. I actually put an Instagram story. I'm like, so many people ask me, how did you snipe that? This 4 hour open. It tapped into this wick. That's like a order log, and yeah, it usually does this. How would legit enter if there's a 30-second entry? Okay,
Order filled.
wrong star. Bit more tighter stops. Okay, stops to break even. Push, bro. Yes. Nice push. Come on, one more candle. Yes. I literally was about to get stopped. Didn't get stopped me out. Like relative equal highs. Chow, 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 chow. Let's
Order
go.
filled.
GG. Fine. Made $500. So nice. I was like one tick away from getting stopped out. And then it just flipped. It was like a 30-second inversion trade. What was that spike in the last candle? Oh, yeah, $380 here. Overall 500. It's good. I'll post trade recap. That was the trade. The first trade also would have worked properly. Second trade is fine. I was like confirmed that if it, see, that's why this 5 minute flip was there. We inverted this 5 minute. There was like no reason for it to go lower. So if I would have taken in like 5 minute restore, I should have hold it till here for a 1 to 1 lower time frame. We like retrace a bit. There was like a 30-second inversion. I was seeing 30-second chart. Just took it on like 30 second. Yeah. GG's. And we had like this low resistance liquidity, which like okay, finally go. So yeah, guys, bye bye. It was like a very quick trade. Or all up like $500, 1%. So it's good. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. I have to go study now. Tomorrow I'll be free from tomorrow. No exams. I'll be fully into trading from tomorrow. Tonight is the only war I have to like win. Again, there's like a 30-second inversion. Take again. Break even here. 1 to 1. Because we are reacting to these gaps. If it holds, it's still holding, but yeah, if it does. So yeah, guys. Take care. Take care. Bye bye. Also like this. Okay. Mm, bye 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 bye. If you have anything, ask me. Otherwise, I'll go. I feel I won't do job if you can hit like $300-400 in like 2 minutes.